Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 10th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So today I was talking about how gold probably is at some point going to pull back for wave two. Exactly what happened today. We had a nice little break of structure on the 1 hour time frame, pretty much confirming that the wave one is over. More than likely, we are now in a corrective overlapping pattern, which I say corrective and overlapping because I mean it doesn't have to make a perfect ABC, but I would expect to see some sort of a three-way pullback, some sort of an LE wave corrective pattern down to a Fibonacci retracement level for wave two. Then I think there still is a very good chance that we could get a wave three to the upside, maybe tomorrow, maybe early next week, but it definitely seems like we got a wave three coming, probably a wave three of wave C. So definitely keep an eye out for three-way pullbacks down to any one of these Fibonacci levels for a potential long. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.